Hello friends, welcome to this video. Chapter 2, Self and Personality. Introduction. Every person has an idea about who they are. This idea is called the self. At the same time, every person shows certain patterns of behavior, thinking, and emotions. This is called personality. This chapter explains what is self, how self develops, what is personality, different theories of personality, how personality is assessed. Concept of self. What is self? Self means how a person sees and understands himself or herself. It includes who I am, what are my strengths and weaknesses, what do others think about me. So, self is our personal identity. Personal and social self. Self has two parts, personal self and social self. Personal self based on abilities, interest, personality trait. Example, I am good in studies. I am shy. Social self based on relationship, social roles. Example, I am a son. I am a student. I am a friend. Both together form complete self image. Self concept meaning self concept is the total picture of oneself, including physical appearance, abilities, values, roles. It answers what kind of person am I. Development of self. Self developed through biological factor, social interaction, cultural influence, reflected appraisal. Children learn about themselves from feedback of others. Self esteem. Self esteem means how much we value ourselves. High self esteem, high confidence is equal to positive thinking. Low self esteem means self doubt, fear of failure. Factors affecting self esteem: parenting style, school success or failure, peer acceptance, social comparison, supportive environment increase self esteem. Culture and self, independent and interdependent self. Western culture is independent self, focus on personal goals. I am important in the Western culture. Whereas in Indian cultures, interde- interdependent self, family and society important. We are important. In Indian culture, we focus on we. So, culture shape how people see themselves. Concept of personality. Personality is the unique pattern of behavior, emotions, and thoughts of a person. It answer it answers how does this person behave with others. Major approaches to personality. Psychodynamic approach by Sigmund Freud. He said behavior is influenced by unconscious mind. Structure of personality. Id work on pleasure principle desires. Ego work on reality principle balance. Superego work on moral values conscious. Personality develops through childhood experiences. Conflicts between ego and superego affect behavior. Behavioral approach. Personality is learned through conditioning and environment. People behave based on rewards and punishments. So, personality is not inborn, it is shaped by learning. Humanistic approach focus on free will, growth, and self actualization. Maslow's theory he gave hierarchy of needs physiological, safety, love and belonging, esteem, and self actualization. People try to reach highest level of personal growth. Trait approach. Personality is made of traits, stable qualities. Example honesty, friendly or nervous. Big Big Five model openness, consciousness, extraversion, agreeableness, neuroticism, which we which we try to learn through the method Ocean. These traits describe most personality difference. Cultural approach. Personality develops according to culture values, social practice. Indian personality emphasizes family, duty, respect. So personality is not same in all societies. Assessment of personality. Personality can be measured scientifically. Objective test, fixed questions, MCQ type, easy to score. Example MMPI used in counseling, job selection. Projective test, person projects inner feelings. Example inkbot test, person tells what they see in ink bots. TET, person tells story based on picture. Used to understand emotions, conflicts, and motivations. Self regulation. Self regulation means controlling emotions, managing behaviors, achieving goals. It includes self control, discipline. It helps in academic success, emotional stability. Indian concept of self and personality. Indian philosophy talks about Atman, inner self. Self is spiritual and moral. Goal of life, self realization, harmony with society. This view focuses on inner peace, social responsibility. Importance of understanding self and personality. It helps in better self understanding, improving relationship, mental health awareness, career decision, emotional control. Knowing yourself help in personal growth. This chapter teaches that self is our understanding of who we are. Self develops through social interaction and culture. Self esteem is very important for confidence, Personality is the pattern of behavior and emotions. Different theories explain personality in different ways. Culture strongly influences personality. Personality can be assessed using scientific tests. Self regulation help in successes and emotional balance. Understanding understanding self and personality help us live a more balanced and meaningful life. Thank you.